Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now, you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The MACD Directional Surge with Alerts is built to track momentum strength and directional changes within price action. It uses the proven method of comparing fast and slow-moving averages to reveal when market momentum is shifting. Arrows appear directly on the chart, marking moments when the strength of buyers or sellers has changed. These signals provide visual confirmation that a potential trend reversal or continuation is underway. A down arrow represents bearish momentum taking control, signaling an opportunity to enter a short position or exit a long position. An up arrow represents bullish momentum taking control, signaling an opportunity to enter a long position or exit a short position. Each signal is created when the MACD value crosses above or below zero, and confirms a shift in directional strength. Settings for this indicator can be easily accessed by selecting the gear wheel on the chart. This opens the customization menu, allowing full control over the display of signals and indicator preferences. Traders can adjust the style, size, and color of the signal arrows to fit any charting theme. Alert sounds can also be modified by opening the Alerts tab. When signal conditions are met, these sounds provide instant auditory confirmation of a shift in momentum, reinforcing the visual cues on the screen. This indicator uses exponential moving averages to separate short-term price action from long-term price trends. By measuring the difference between these averages and smoothing the result, the calculation identifies true momentum strength while filtering out minor fluctuations. This approach helps traders avoid hesitation, focus on meaningful market movement, and respond to price direction with greater clarity. The MACD Directional Surge with Alerts is designed to simplify decision-making in fast-moving markets. It delivers clear signals, customizable alerts, and a trusted momentum calculation built to improve timing and increase trading confidence. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools, and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.